Good morning and welcome to Market Watch Monday. Today we are looking at the top economic releases that will affect the markets this week. China's Caixin April Services PMI, German April Services PMI, Eurozone March Producer Price Index, May Sentix Investor Confidence Index, and April Services PMI will be the top economic releases on Monday. Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision will be the key event of Asian session on Tuesday. German March trade balance, exports, imports, and factory orders will be in focus during European session. Canada's April IV PMI, US April Consumer Credit, and American Petroleum Institute weekly crude oil stocks report will be the highlights of the US session. German March industrial production and US Energy Information Administration's weekly crude stocks report will be the most interesting events on Wednesday. On Thursday, Bank of England's MPC interest rate decision and US weekly jobless claims will be in focus. UK first quarter gross domestic product, March industrial production and trade balance will be top economic events of European session on Friday. Canada's April unemployment and US May Michigan consumer sentiment will be the most interesting releases in the US session.